Welcome to class. Grab your book and pen and get ready to learn.
Okay, let us talk about modular arithmetic. Another name for modular arithmetic is cycle arithmetic or clock arithmetic. A cycle is something that starts from a point, goes around and comes back to that same starting point. In modular arithmetic, that starting point is denoted with 0, then counted all through. The number of counting the modular arithmetic or modular cycle goes through before coming back to the starting point is what we call the modulo. The singular is modulus, while the plural is moduli, but in short form we denote it with mod. Let's take for example our regular face of clock. Say 11. This is 11 turning, but it is regarded as modulo 12 or mod 12 because in a modulo you don't have any digit up to the modulo or more than the modulo. So this is actually modulo 12. A clockwise rotation is positive in modulo arithmetic or in a face of a clock, while an anti-clockwise movement is negative. So let us look at an example of when the time is 5 o'clock. When the time is 5 o'clock, that means our starting point is 5. Starting point 5 o'clock. We want to know what will be the time in the next 5 hours. Next 5 hours, we start from 5 and count clockwisely. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 10. So in the next 5 hours, the time will be 10 o'clock. Good. What about in the next 13 hours? We have to start from that same starting point and count clockwise. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in the next 13 hours, the time will be 6 o'clock. Next 13 hours is 6 o'clock. What about if the question asks us what was the time in the last 9 hours or 9 hours ago? The time is 5 o'clock presently. We want to know the time 9 hours ago. That means I will count anti-clockwisely 9 times. So 5 becomes my 0. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 hours ago, the time was 8 o'clock. 9 hours ago. All these are very easy to count on the face of the clock. But by the time we start having bigger numbers, like when I ask what was the time in last 50 hours, last 24 hours, and so on, then we have bigger numbers to deal with. You can also be asked what is going to be the time in the next 300 hours. Then you have a large number for you to deal with. And I am going to show you how we deal with that.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting lessons.